Let's see how to install your WD hard drive on your Mac. I mean how to connect your WD hard drive on your MacBook. So the thing is very simple. On WD we have the USB-A port, but in the Mac we only have the USB-C port. So we need a converter. Here comes this one USB-C OTG, and then on the USB-C and another end is for USB-A. So just take your hard drive cable and connect like this and directly plug it on your USB-C port and open, and if it shows your hard drive you can directly use your hard drive. In case if it haven't shows, what you have to do is you just grab one Android phone or iPhone or iPad or Windows computer or laptop. For this, in this case I'm going to use my iPad and directly plug your hard drive to your device, and I just open files, and so here I can see my hard drive. You need to long press over that and click erase, select exFAT and click erase at the top and confirm that. Then it will format your hard drive, WD hard drive to exFAT. After that, you just close the region completely and turn on the flight mode and disconnect this setup. Now connect this setup, hard drive, to our MacBook USB-C port. Okay, it shows up. Now just place the cursor over a hard drive and right click here and get info. Now you can see your format of your hard drive is exFAT. That's it. This is open. After this we can transfer files from your WD hard drive to your MacBook or MacBook to your WD hard drive. It is just drag and drop. Just like that. So it's transferring. Here you can see it's done. Same thing for MacBook to your hard drive, drag and drop. So this is how you need to do. And after you transfer all the files, you just click the triangle. If it single time it haven't disconnect, you need to tap 2 or 3 times. Now you can safely eject your hard drive from MacBook. So this is how you need to connect your WD hard drive on your MacBook. And if you want to know more videos about file transferring topics, you need to watch this playlist.